Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm gonna to show you how to open CMD command prompt on Windows 10 PC or laptops. So guys, if you want to open CMD command prompt on Windows 10 PC or laptops, so very easy. Firstly, click on Start. Now scroll down. After click on Windows System. Click on command prompt. There is. Other way, click on Start. Type here CMD. Click on command prompt. There is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to open CMD command prompt on Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.